So I'm just making a quick video, probably no edits, but if you hear me out, you'll get the point I'm trying to make. So self-healing websites, yes, they are a thing, very, very prototype, but I just went ahead and made my first version of it. I went ahead and used Gemini. I tried it with OpenAI, which just wasn't working. So don't be scared to test other AI tools. Let's go ahead and break one of our apps, and I'm going to show you what I mean by self-healing applications. Clients won't worry about this, but me on the back end, I'm always building new tools, and you know, when I'm building this screen you're about to see, I see it a lot. I get a lot of errors. This right here is my errorBoundary component. Now what it gives me is it gives me the component stack, so I can see, oh hey, where's the component going wrong? I can see the stack trace, a more defined error, what the problem is. You can see log is not defined. That's because I broke the state here, right? So you know what the error is. But now pretend this is a more complex error that we have no idea. So yeah, we get our errors, but I made this little friendly button down here, and now what this button does is if we go and check out, hang on, give me a second, I have a lot of servers running. I believe it's you. Yeah, so right now, if we click this button, what happens is, okay, we're going to create a backup of our tool that we're trying to fix, alright? And what's going to happen is Gemini's CLI, Gemini is going to open, and it's going to go ahead and take care of that for us. So it takes a second, but it does it. It's self-healing. We can automate this process, detecting error, make the changes right away. But you know, not every single error has to be fixed right away. You know, you'll probably create bigger errors if you were to leave this as an automated process. So that's why I like it better as a button. But you can see self-trigger heal. Check your terminal for process. And it did. The file has been updated. So if we press OK, it automatically refreshes. React detects that, and look, our page is working again. Whoa, beautiful, beautiful. Now, yeah, that's an example of self-healing websites. Now, to do it, it was very easy. It was really just two components, so let me go ahead and isolate those two components for us. I can turn off the rest. Okay, close all that. So all it is, the magic right here is this one Node.js route. It's a post route for self-healing. Very, very simple. But what it does is it takes in our component stack, our error message, and our stack. So just like how, if we go back to the error page, yeah, you can see that's why I have these three here, these three variables. I'll make it look nicer, don't worry. But yeah, this is a cool way. We just click it, boom, and it heals itself. Now, of course, if the errors are more and more complex, you know, this can come in handy. So if you have a Node.js server, or if you want to go ahead and play with this, I think I'll post it into GitHub. Yeah, why not? And you can see how you need to have Gemini installed on your computer, of course. So just download Gemini, and it should be working for you. All you need is this one Node.js router. Set it up in your server. Here's a quick little one-liner to add a new router right here. App.use endpoint, and then you can require it right away, all in one line, rather than having two. Very cool stuff, very cool stuff. So yes, that is self-healing websites and how we do them with Gemini. Now you can swap this out for other CLIs. I'm sure you can, but I like Gemini. It's been my favorite one so far, and it's pretty much free. You know, if you have 2 Google accounts, you can get double the usage too, so that's nice. Yeah, there's nothing really else. It was just a really small little tool. Self-healing websites, a nice little feature, and this is built into Imperium. So like if any of my pages are to get an error, well, we would have the self-healer ready to go for us. And what I like about this is it saves everything as a zip too. So very good for us. Yay. That is self-healing websites from Loomis Technologies. Thank you.